These big questions of life, of how did we get here? Why are we here? How are we supposed to live? What happens when we die? Are fundamental questions to all of life. And so getting answers to those are pretty important. The key is to create that venue where people feel like they can engage in a meaningful dialogue. Search Ministries is an organization that was founded to allow safe, comfortable venues for people to engage in meaningful discussion about the biggest questions of life. You know, things like, how do we even know God exists? We've seen guys come in to a small group with being at a place where they're not even convinced that God exists. They think when they die that everything just goes black. And we've allowed them the privilege to say, that's fine. If that's where you are, great. You know, it's not confrontational. It's, well, let's start there. And here's some things to consider. It's not, we have all the answers, so sit back and listen to us. It's, let's engage and let's build a real relationship. And so you see someone come in at one point where that's where they are, and to 2 years later, they're at a different place because they've been able to ask their questions, and then they've been able to get good answers that they haven't been able to get for whatever reason all throughout their life. As someone watches that modeled, what it does is it equips them to be able to do the same thing. And so the long-term vision for Search would be to have many small groups going on that are being led by others. And they could be by the people who brought their friends, and then you see a friend come in, and 2 or 3 years later he's in a different place, and he says, you know what, I have a lot of friends that I would like to see go through the same process I did, because not only was it enjoyable, not only did I make a lot of good friends, but it changed my life. That's in essence what Search is all about.